Alrighty, hey guys, welcome back to the third quarter. I know that this is going to be not the first thing you learn because we're going to learn shapes and the type tool, which is something familiar to us from Photoshop, but something that we're going to learn. So the first actual new thing that I'm introducing from Illustrator is the shape builder tool. You can use this for a lot of things, but it really comes in handy when you're making custom shapes. It makes it a lot easier than having to cut and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go get ahead and get started. So right now I have a little cloud. We're gonna do something with this where it's removing little pieces. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Your shape builder tool is located in your tool panel and it looks like this. If you hover over it, it will say shape builder. And we are going to go ahead and I'm going to show you our first thing. So I'm going to create a cloud. So let me zoom in a little bit by clicking control and the plus sign if you're using a like PC, and if you're using a Mac, you just do command plus sign. What I'm going to do is I already have my shapes here. I used it using my little handy shape tool. I'm going to select everything that I'm going to be messing with, and that's going to be my cloud. So you can see that it's selected, and I'm going to click on my shape builder tool. You'll see that when I hover over it, different pieces will be shaded. So that's super useful because this shows what you are adding to your shape. So I'm just going to go ahead and add everything. So I'm going to create a line. So I'm going to click and drag, and I want to select all of it. So I'm going to make a zigzaggy line, and I'm going to hold the whole time. So don't let go if you're selecting a bunch of stuff. And I missed something here, but you guys get the point. You click and drag, and here is my, cloud. So we are going to move on to our next thing. And with this, you are going to be, I'm going to remove parts of it. So we're going to go ahead and right click. Actually, I'm going to select everything that I want here, just like we did the first one, and I'm going to right click on my shape builder tool. Actually, just kidding, I'm not going to right click. I'm going to use the Alt key. So if you're on a Mac, it'll be the Options key. And everything that I want removed, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So I can click. You don't have to drag on this one either. Click. 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 I don't know if I did this one. I don't think I did. Anywho. So I removed that. So you guys can see like there's some lines not there. So you can do that. And then the last thing is this is just kind of, simple stuff with the shape builder tool, but it helps you create stuff like moons and whatever. So you just kind of have to think about it. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go to my shape builder tool. And I'm not going to click the Alt key because I'm not removing anything. This just kind of separates the shapes, which is cool. So I'm going to click where it overlaps just to show you guys what's going on. And it removes it like from the little selection. So it kind of creates that. It takes it out, which is, I don't know, I think is cool, I guess. And then you can move this around. So it just separates the stuff, which I think is really cool. Like I said, creates little moons. There's a lot of other stuff you can make with it. You just have to get creative. So that's the shape builder tool. It's a really cool tool. You're going to use it a lot. So we are going to be working on it all this week. And then we're going to move on to using some other tools. So I hope you guys have fun with the shape builder tool. And I will see you in my next video.